Namaste everyone, I'm back with another exciting and interesting video. For this video, I got 3 big packets of orders just for you. This video is going to be huge Ajio haul and everything is under just 200. The quality of all the products is amazing and this haul is mainly about a brand called Yousta on Ajio. So let's start. The first one that I have is this Women Regular Fit crew neck sweater, and the price of this product is 104. If you look at the app's description, it says 200 rupees, but believe me, I got this only for 104. This sweater right here has little tiny detailing like the bubbles, as you can see in the video. I got the sweater in S size, although it says S, but it looks a little loose. The material is also very stretchy. This sweater has a light baby pink color. The little detailing at the hands also looks so fine. It looks really very pretty in the sunlight. And there is this elastic band type of thing which you can fold and make it look like you've tucked in the sweater. Because the problem with most of the sweaters is they are too long and when you tuck, they look really baggy. But when there is this type of waistband at the end, it makes it really look posh. Prices of these products are quite fluctuating, so you need to be very careful when you're placing an order. Next one is this Fire Rose Women Relaxed Fit V-neck cropped cardigan. This is the only other brand that I've got. All other products are from Yousta brand. Once again, I really love the quality of this product. It doesn't seem that I got this for only 200 rupees. I was very excited for this product and it turned out really cool. It looks a little transparent, but no. If you wear it, it's just perfect. They've also given this extra button, which you can use it in case you lose one. And look at the tiny detailing at the hands. I really love it when the hands have this cuffed texture. And even the neck part has good detailing. This cardigan has a V-neck. I got this cardigan in S size. For items like cardigans, I usually go for a size lesser than my original. Some tops and cardigans have pre-stitched buttons, but this cardigan here, you can actually wear the buttons or just leave it as it is. And they have given this thick waistband detailing at the bottom of the cardigan. Just look at the texture, it's so good. It is not very soft, but it does give you the feel of a cardigan. I think this cardigan has the perfect length. It's not too long, not too short. You can just pair it up with any dress and it will look perfect. For this video, I just wore it as it is, and I've also paired it with another dress that I got from Yousta. Before ordering this product, I was very concerned about the length of the product and the quality of the material, because in the photo it looked a little rough. It is rough, but not to the point that I thought it would be. It feels really nice and comfortable. If you're planning to buy this cardigan, just go for it. Next I have is this women floral print fit and flare dress. To be honest, this dress is also really good. It's very pretty, the color is very decent, and I got this dress just at 205 rupees. This dress has cute floral print throughout. There is no inner lining in this dress and it has got this sweet and short V-neck. It also has this button detailing. This is a strapless dress. Either wear it as it is or just pair it with some cardigan or some denim jacket. I don't usually prefer wearing strapless dresses, so I'll wear it with cardigan. The front material is not very stretchable, but at the back there is this elastic type of material, so it is quite stretchable backside. As you can see in the video, at the back there is this stretchable type of elastic, so it is quite stretchy from the back side, but at the front it's not stretchable. But for this one I chose the correct size. And the most exciting part is that this dress has also got pockets. I just love dresses that have pockets. As I said already, the material doesn't stretch. You should go for the correct size because the sizing and the fit of this dress is perfect. For this one I chose the correct size. The fit again is perfect. It seems this dress is little sheer when you go in under the light, so you'll have to wear some shorts inners for sure. Next one is this woman cable knit V-neck cardigan. I got this in lavender color. There is another option that is of mint color. But I had a problem with ordering these products because these products were constantly out of stock and I had to check every single day to get them in stock. This cardigan has a deep V-neck and look at the sleeves. Lavender cardigan also has got cuffed sleeves. I really like this cardigan a lot because the detailing is so good and so fine. This also has this thick waistband at the bottom. Another thing that I love is they provide these tiny buttons, and I got this in S size. But this cardigan seems a little large for the size that I've got. The material of these products is breathable. I'm in love with the material of this cardigan. It is so thick and so nice. It just gives you a baggy look. The fit, the sleeve length, and the length of the cardigan as well is perfect. If you're looking for a cardigan, this would be your best option for you. You can also buy the mint color of the same cardigan. That is also very pretty. And the next product is this pair of women lace up sports shoes. I got them in size 3 UK. So my foot length is really small and it is around 21 centimeters. So 3 size was perfect for me. At first it seemed little tight, but when I loosened up the lace, it seemed perfect for me. I got these shoes at 205 rupees. The sole of these shoes is so good. It's so thick and I'm sure these are going to work for at least 1 year. I have similar kind of shoes that I got from Flipkart and that costed me around 6 to 700, but those shoes broke really fast. When you pair them with the right type of pants, these will look awesome. And this is how they look on me. Next is this women furry slides. These are in pink color. I got them in 5 size because no other size was available and the price was only 105 rupees. That is the only reason why I ordered them. You can't wear these slippers outside, but they are perfect for your house. These slippers are really soft to wear. It just feels as if you're walking on cotton. Obviously the size that I ordered is too big for my feet. Anyways, it's 105. These slippers are not slip free. That means if the surface is smooth, there is a possibility you might trip. And this is how they look on me, and if I had a size smaller, it would have been perfect, but anyways, it's okay. As you can see on the screen, I've come to the order section of the Ajio app. The shoes that I've got is only for 85 rupees. Not just this, if I scroll down, if I click on this lavender cardigan, it is only 245 rupees. And this green dress, it says 204 rupees. And the best part of this video, the shoes, it is only for 204 rupees again. Now I will reveal you the secret of how I got these products for such low prices. First of all, open the Ajio app on your phone, go to the search bar and type Yousta. You will find lot of products of this brand. Whichever product you like, just wishlist the item. As you can see on the screen, the prices are really high now. So there is a fluctuation in these prices. So any product that you like, just wishlist the item. And when the price drops down, that is when you need to place the order. And make sure you place the order only for one product at a time because the products are going to go out of stock very soon. Go to your wish list and click on the product that you want to order. For example, I chose this pink sweater. If you like the product, choose your desired size and add it to your bag. Now that the product is added to your bag, go back and click on the search bar and type for any product. For example, I am typing t-shirts here. You can select any random product. It doesn't matter because you're going to cancel it anyhow. So I've chose this product that appeared first. You need to be really quick because the product might be out of stock. Select any size and add it to bag. Go to your cart and increase the quantity of this product. Increase it to maximum quantity, that is 10. The reason why we are doing this step is to cancel the shipping charges as well as the platform fees. Whenever there is a price drop in the products, if you click on the product might be out of stock. But save it in your wish list because sometime the product will be in stock and it will be of less price. Now click on place order. I don't want to use the Ajio points or wallet points, so I'm deselecting this option. And make sure you select cash on delivery and confirm the order. Now that the order is confirmed, go back to the orders section. As you can see, the order is confirmed. Now you need to delete the extra product that you added and make sure you select the quantity that you selected during the order. I selected 10 items of the same product, so I'm selecting 10 items again. You can choose any reason to cancel the order, it doesn't matter. And click on cancel order. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes and you're going to get the cancel confirmation message to your phone. Now, as you can see, I got this sweater for 204 rupees.